Welcome back to this channel and thank you. And here you will see some Linux networking command for beginner. We will continue tutorial. You can see only the command and output in this video. That's all. So you can see many commands is running, and I will explain this in another video, ongoing tutorial video for beginner. You have to watch. I have other video subnetting, binary decimal conversion, IPv4. These are basic to understand networking. You can find my video and watch. Those are beginner. It will be easier to understand networking. So this is what is in Linux networking. We will learn for also cybersecurity. It is necessary, or if you want to learn networking, like if you want to go for Cisco certification, CCNA, CCNP, CCIE in expert level, these are just basic foundation, and this is very good for beginners. So in networking there is 7 layer. TCP is the secure, this is UDP, not secure connection. So this is interesting, so to see this all the command how it works. This is active network connection. It is going to list what connection I have here. Internet information. So here is network and device statistics. It carries a command to see the details content. This is for IP network addresses. This computer host name, this is interface, and IP address, IP version 4, 6. This is IP version 6. Okay, that's all. If you want to continue watch, I will create video to explain each command, and it is good for networking, cybersecurity. Found these are all foundation of networking and Linux networking. And thank you very much to watch.